Hello everyone. As we have already recapitulate chapter 6, few topics, human resource chapter, like distribution of population, population density, and the factor affecting distribution of population, population change, the three factors, death rate, birth rate, and migration. Uh, Now today, topic is population composition. Yes, as you know, there is a if you talk about our country, so our country having a huge population. Okay, so there is to understand the role of people in this country, in our country as a resource. So for this, we need to be know about the more things about the human resource, the quality of human resource, like the people vary greatly in their age wise, this their gender wise, their literacy level, their health condition, their livelihood, their occupation, and their income level. So it is essential to understand the characteristics of the people, to characteristic of the human resource. Okay, so the population composition refer to the structure of population, structure that which kind of population each the country have. The population is the population literacy literate, is the population healthy, is the population is uh, in same group, or the life expectancy of that population is particular. So that kind of the characteristics of population we come to know in population composition. And the population composition is help us to know about the quality of population, like that the country have how many, the country have a male and female in that country, the group of the population of that country, the population is educated or not, the many things we come to know after the understand the population composition. So that is why we need to be understand the population composition if we know, if you want to know about the human resource of particular country. So we examine the population composition of that country. So an interesting way to studying the population country by looking the population pyramid. So what is this population pyramid? Tell us about the many things, like the population pyramid shows the population divided into various age, like the age group of 5 to 9 and 10 to 14. Now the percentage of total population subdivided into male and female, as you can see in this graph. The blue portion which indicate male proportion of population, and the red blocks in the graph, red graph shows female. So the shape of the population tells the story of the people living in the particular country, like the life expectancy of the people, like the number of children are shown at the bottom, so that this is show the birth rate. Okay, and are shown the bottom and reflect the level of birth. You can see the childhood, the size of the top bottom of number age people reflect the number of death. It is narrow from it's that population, the population pyramid of Kenya, the broad, the base is broad and the upward आप देखेंगे top is narrow. Population pyramid also tell how many dependent there are in country, the dependent group, the one young dependent and elder dependent or old dependent group. Young dependent age blue 15 and the old 65 years. Okay, 65 years. So the population pyramid in which the birth rate and their both are high. So the base is broad and the rapidly narrow toward the top. You can see in the Kenya pyramid, the population pyramid of Kenya. Why this thing happened? This is only because the many children are born, the large percentage, the birth rate is high, but the die in their infancy. You can see the age of 5-9, it reduced its graph. Okay, so relatively few became adult. There are very few old people living in Kenya, which show this situation type pyramid show you can see in Kenya. Now let us talk about the pyramid of India, which is on figure number 6.8. What you observe? The birth rate is high, but if we compare with the Kenya, so the toward the top, it is narrow. In the country, that rate among especially very young, are decreasing. The pyramid broader in the younger age, but not too, the birth rate not too high if we compare with the Kenya. More infants survive to the childhood, as you can see. This can be seen pyramid of India. Population contain relatively number of young people and mean strong and expanding labor force. Only it is the people, the birth rate not decrease as in this manner as if we compare with the Kenya. Infants survive to adulthood. Okay. Now the country like Japan, you can see the zigzag, the graph of Japan. The birth rate make pyramid narrow, at the base decrease, and decreased death rate allow number of people to reach the old age up to 85. And you can see the in India, the life expectancy age up to 75. Now skilled, the country Japan, low birth rate make pyramid narrow at the base. If we compare with the India and Kenya population pyramid, so the Japan birth rate is very low, very less. So the narrow, the pyramid, population pyramid of Japan at the base is very narrow at the base. Decreased death rate allow number of people to reach old age. Skilled, spirited, and hopeful young people endured with a positive outlook the future with any nation. So if the population is skilled, talented, educated, literate, so it is a fortune for any country, and it good resource, human resource for any country. So this is very important that the population of country should be educated and provide skill and opportunity to become able the productive. Okay, I hope it is understood by all.